Hi and welcome to my channel. It's me, Tina. I am here with an opening of what PANALISA CRAFT sent me. She is a shop on AliExpress. I will link her shop down below. She sent me this package and I am really excited to show you. I ordered a few things from her. And then she sent me a bunch of things. So I'm just going to put everything aside here. I haven't done any of the die cuts yet, but I will be back to show you what they look like. I ordered this one. This is a chicken. I believe it's a chicken or a rooster. Maybe a rooster. I don't know. But anyway, I think it's a rooster. I'm gonna cut this out because I want to do a farm journal, and I thought this would be so cool, and it is such a nice size. So I will be back to show you what that looks like. And then she sent me these little goodies. She always sends something for free. She sent me these little goodies here, a little heart, these little vintage stickers, and these little papers are so cute. I like those. So she sent me that. And then she also sent me this die cut, and I am not sure what this is. I think it's a shaker. It looks like, I don't know. It looks like a phone or a camera. I think that's what that is. So I will check that out and see what it is. And then this one is like a bottle, and it has a label. So again, and it has a face, I think, because there's a little smiley face. Again, I will die cut these and put them together and show you what they are. And then these are 12 printed sticker pieces, and they are the sewing notions, and I really appreciate that she sent me those. There's some flowers in here too, but there's like a measuring tape, some more flowers, some buttons. Here's a pin, a scissor. Oh, there's quite a few of those flowers. There's another measuring tape, a button pack, and one of these bobbins, another scissor. These will go great in my sewing journals. Awesome. There's thread, lots of little buttons, flowers. Ooh, look at this. Really cute sewing machine. There's like a bobbin with a pin cushion on top, some more buttons. And then there's these little tags. Really cute. Oh, very nice. Thank you, PANALISA. I love these. Oh, that's going to be beautiful in my journals. Now, these ones I picked out, and I really like these because they are all chairs. Let me see. Need a white paper. Let me grab a paper. Okay, so these are all chairs and things to sit on. With the Tim Holtz people, I love it when I can put them on like a chair to sit. So there's that one. There's this one. Here's like a sofa chair or sofa bed. That would be cool. I think there's 2 of every one. And there's like a vanity kind of. And here's another one of those sofa beds. And a table they could stand by. And they are not shiny, but they are stickers. This is the part you peel off, so they're not the glossy kind, which I really like, that they're not the glossy kind. And you've seen that one. And this chair, oh, that's the same as that one. This one, I really like that one. I think that's going to be really pretty. Another sofa chair. This one's going to be really nice. That one. And that one. Yeah, there's, of all of them, there's 2. So, or even more. I think there's 3. Very nice. I think oh, look at this one. Oh my goodness. I can see like one of the guys sitting on that one. That would be so cool. And that one, really nice. It doesn't say how many there are in that, but I think there's 3 of each in those. So then I have, let me see, what do I have next? I have this one. This is a paper stack and paper pad. It says 6x6 scrapbooking by PANALISA, Sweet Life. 12 different designs, 2 sheets of each. So let's check this one out. This is called the Sweet Life. So there's that one, and you never throw that one away because you can always use that. Look at that. Beautiful. Oh, I love those. These are gorgeous. Oh, gorgeous. Look at that. To put on your, you know, the dies that you have are just cut out a circle and in the middle, and then you have a donut. Beautiful. And then here's writing. Which we always need. There's these ones. Green. I like this. And then there's that one. Oh, this is kind of Christmassy. I could use that now. See, you can always find Christmas material in all your stuff. So then this one is the Meow. And it is the kitty cat one. So I can make another kitty cat journal. So there is this front one. Like I said, you can always use that. There's these guys. Oh, look at that. They're so cute. And there's the paws. Oh my goodness. And you can cut out all these little different ones. So cute. They're food bowls. So many paws. Little hearts. And that doesn't have to be just for a cat journal. And look at that, or a cat card. Look at that. Fish bones. Oh, look at this. This would make a beautiful card. There's this one. See, these aren't just for cats. And there's that one. That would make a beautiful birthday one. And then this one, it says garden. So let's take a look at this one. Gorgeous. Love these papers. PANALISA has the most awesome papers, and the prices are so reasonable. Like, yeah, I love her shop. On music paper, very nice. You can use that with anything. Beautiful. Wood green. And then there's this one. And then there's bricks. I like this. And there's birds hiding in those flowers. I don't know if you can see that. Stripes. And this one, this would be beautiful for Christmas. Something for Christmas. And that one, I love that. And then there's this one, Memories. And I will be back to show you what I've done with these. Oh, look at this. Oh, I think this is my favorite. Oh my goodness, that's gorgeous. And this one too. Oh, I love it. I think this is gonna be part of my rose journal. I'm just getting stuff ready. I know they're not roses, they're like carnations, but I still think they're beautiful. Oh, this is gorgeous. Gorgeous. These might be, you think these are roses? Maybe. I don't know, but that could go in the rose journal. Oh, look at these, the birds in there. Oh, you guys know how I love my birds. Oh, I love this memories pack. Gorgeous. Beautiful, beautiful. And then there's Thanksgiving. That is the last one, but I will show you that one. Beautiful cover. Ooh, look at those. Gorgeous fall pack. Ah, raccoons. Oh, this is just gorgeous. I love this. It's like Christmas here. Oh my goodness. Oh, look at these. I love the blue in there. Acorns. Oh, look at that. You could fussy cut. Beautiful flowers. Oh, I love this one. And that one. See, and that one you could use for Christmas. I think I will do that. All right, that is my haul from Panalisa, what she sent me. And I will be back to show you what I've created and tell you measurements and all that kind of stuff. Go and check her out. I will leave her link in the description box below, and I will leave these things that I received in the description box below, the links for them, so you can go check them out. Thank you for watching. God bless you all, and we'll see you soon. Bye.